This is the Champion RK-1C-200 stem rebuild for the Champion 2-inch RS and manual straight valves. Now comes with the seat washer and then 2 O-rings, one large and then one smaller one. Now what we're going to do, we're going to start with a couple dimensions of each item in the kit, starting with the seat washer. We're going to go outer diameter first. So it's going to be right at about 2.5 inches. And then inner diameter of that hole that goes through the center, it's going to be right at about 1/2 inch. And then total thickness, it's going to be right at about 1/4 inch. And then the smaller O-ring, outer diameter first, going to be right at 3/4 inch, with an inner right at 1/2. And then last but not least, the larger rubber O-ring. Now this thing is very easy to kind of pinch and bend, so I'm going to try my best to get it exact as possible. Outer diameter going to be right at about 3 inches. And inner diameter going to be right at about 2 7/8. Now I forgot to mention this previously, but the package will also come with this little slip. On the front it shows the item number, what it's a rebuild for, and then on the back it actually has a little parts breakdown here of a valve. So it shows where those parts are located and the order they go in, as well as the list of the parts included as well. And once again, this is the Champion RK-1C-200 stem repair kit for the RS and manual straight valves.